जो दारू पिए बोला उधर से
कुछ माल लेने का ये लेके आया
Basic. Legal. ये भी
हाँ सर
Hadien was Superintendent of Police, South Deputy Commissioner, ki Magistrate, padu District Transport Officer, kila iamih hakasni Palei, banyabat iki kali pynkhein ha surok National Highway 6 ha Nongpoh. Kini jingbat kali pynkhein kelas sdang naduh kapor sau baje janmiet, bad haduh lai hajar tylli ki kali labat ban talasi, kynthup iki kot kisla, ki deng seatbelt, phong helmet, buaid, banyak syakadang day, bad kiwei. Hagani gajing talasi haduh ars pa san potli ki kali la syam bakila pynkhein yaki kindon nya kali bat nakini ki kali la yo dan kuna haduh shipho point san lak tingka.
Police has been conducting this exercise, and today we thought that the magistrate should also, from DC office also, we should join hands in ensuring that all the traffic regulations are followed. So, the ultimate objective is to save lives. So that's why we have the DTO office, which also has joined forces today, and the idea is ultimately to save lives.
So there was a lot of request on social media especially that this checking should not be a one-time affair, it should be done regularly. So in fact we agree with that, our plan was also like that. So today in fact we called DTO also, the executive magistrate, the district magistrate himself is here. So we want to give a strict message to all the traffic violators. However big and mighty you might be, but law will be applied equally to all of you. Doesn't matter whether it is an auto driver or a dumper truck driver or a Mercedes driver, doesn't matter to us. If you violate rules, we will be taking action as per law. So no one should think that he or she is above the law. So we are conducting checking, especially the target is to check obviously the driving under influence of alcohol and over speeding, because most of the accidents which have happened were because of these two reasons. Obviously there are some hot spots, black spots in the highway, that is obviously one of the reasons, but mostly either the driver was under the influence of something or he was over speeding. So we want to check this properly, and whole force is here. Almost we have deployed almost 100 people so that both lanes are equally taken care of. At the same time, all the other field units like Rani Jirang, Patharkhama, Khanapada, Barnihat, this side Umsning, Umyam, Umroi, same exercise is going on at all the stations. In fact, our Eric, the executive magistrate, he is down there in Umsning. So all the units are on road right now, and this is a strict message. Don't violate the rules, because life is more important than anything else.
Department jongi ngin ai check man kapor hi nang ni sakmat ba lai hi ba menakini kisni bon haki accident gija layap ki breu bon ba yap jing accident ni nakata kadau ba ngila penlong ya kan ka checking jingsang nakaliak pa office ni MVI la shim hi ki driving test nang ba ya kan ni banyak damiet te ngim jingsang ju le hi ban test ni banyak kali damiet no ban pen me light ki high beam ki low beam unjuk hikai gitu ang mengi ya ken mau ki bawan le interview ba ki de ban respect ba mendai ban pen me ki high beam pornya kali damit nang ba tu bawan nakawi ka site kathaba khmat unyi ba bun sin de nakata kadau sa jaga accident me jingsha ketui ki ba apply license bikin one hi da ladi mendai ban ai pateng anu nang ba ka kanya baik ke kam jongki